Hey, I'm David, and yesterday while washing my cousin's old car, I noticed this long, wiggly stick sticking out from the front. I was like, wait a minute, is this thing an antenna? Like old school radio style. Then I looked at my dad's new car. No antenna, just a smooth, clean roof. So I had to investigate. And guess what? The story of car antennas is full of cool science and tech twists. Let's dive into it. It all starts with a need, catching signals. Back in the day, cars needed those long metal antennas to catch radio waves. Invisible energy flying through the air, just like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth today. Radios in cars would use antennas to pick up AM and FM signals, so you could jam to your favorite tunes while cruising. The long metal antenna worked kind of like a fishing pole, casting out to grab those waves from faraway stations. The longer the antenna, the better the catch. But now cars got smarter. Newer cars still use antennas, but they're hidden. They're often built right into the rear window, the roof shark fin, or even the side mirrors. So instead of that stick poking out, you get a sleeker look, but the car is still catching all kinds of signals. Radio, GPS, Bluetooth, phone networks. Some antennas are now multi-band, meaning they can catch different signals all at once. And here's the science why bit. Antennas work by resonating with electromagnetic waves. When a wave hits the antenna that matches its frequency, the antenna vibrates with it and captures the info. Kind of like how your eardrum vibrates to sound. So next time you see a car without a visible antenna, just remember, it's not missing it. It's just gone stealth mode. Cool, huh?